So Cariad Pet Therapy has roughly 90 volunteers with 90 dogs. We go into different social settings, so it could be residential homes, care, hospitals, workplaces, and we take a dog in, and the aim is to try and make someone's day a little bit better. I started volunteering when I had Raya as a puppy. She just exhibited the perfect signs of a therapy dog. And it's always been mainly the focus on her, so if she's happy doing it, I am. If she's not, that's when we'll stop. Just seeing the impact that she can make on someone in just a short time, so in an hour's space, is massive, and that definitely pushes me to keep doing it.
I came across Cariad Pet Therapy when I worked in my previous role in WAST. They would actually have the dogs come in there, and that's when I first got introduced to them. And since then, I always wanted to volunteer for them just because I love animals, I love dogs. And yeah, they were very welcoming. We did an assessment with Cobra, which he passed, and then they've just contacted me ever since just for the opportunities that they have arising. It makes me feel that I have purpose when I volunteer for Cariad, because I feel that I'm helping someone. Obviously, this is there every day, and then coming in and giving them the opportunity to pet a dog or have that little companionship or that little breakaway of what they're doing. It just makes me feel really good, and I'm actually giving something back.
Volunteering for me has given me a massive boost for my own personal mental health and well-being. Just going and having someone relying on you, I've got to get up, I've got to be there, I've got to be present. And then seeing the impact it has on them and how they progress over the weeks going on. One thing I've learned through volunteering is you can actually give a lot by giving a little.
I've learned that pet companionship is very important. It does make a difference to someone's day, and just having that companion, especially when they haven't got their family around, their own pets or their own friends around, it makes a difference. And I've learned just to be present, and I feel that being present and patient with someone makes a difference to their day.
If somebody was considering volunteering but was sat on the fence, I would just say do it, jump into it, grab it with both hands, treat it as an opportunity. The impact you can have on someone else's life will pay you back in abundance, and it's just fantastic. You'll really enjoy it.